Okay, so good day everyone. I'm trying out another one. This is Martha White Strawberry Muffin Mix. Now, I notice on the back the portion size says half a cup of dry mix makes 2 muffins. But the serving size per container is 3. So why would you just do 2 muffins? Just go ahead and do the 3 and get it over with. So simply heat the oven to 400, lightly spray, blah, blah. Okay, well, I'm using muffin cups. Okay, so, yeah. So all you need is half a cup of milk. So I don't do milk, so we're gonna do water. You want to do milk, that's up to you, that's fine. Sometimes we have to modify to fit our diet. So let's just see how this works out. Hold on. So this is what the mix looks like with half a cup of water mixed in. As the package said, 3 servings per container, but 3 muffins, but I got 5, and you know, there's only one there in the middle that's a little less than what they recommend, 3/4 full. So let's go bake. So these will be baking at 400 for 14 to 16 minutes until golden brown and toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Cool 2 to 3 minutes in the pan. Okay, so we'll see how this works out. So we're back. So here's the outcome. 5 strawberry muffins. And they said it would only make 3. And they are nice and golden brown. And I am going to enjoy. So I'll let you know how they taste. Just leave a comment, subscribe, and come back for more. See you in the next one. Bye.